Let's take a look at the Documents feature in Forms Boss. Here in your Customer and Prospects form, you'll notice a Docs tab. If you click on that tab, you'll have an opportunity to create documents for this customer's record. You would do that by clicking here on the Add a Document button. And you can select a template that you would have already created from the list here. I will talk more about templates in a moment, but for now we'll just select one that's already here and get OK. And you'll see that it creates a document for you. It already has information filled in according to the formatting of that template. But if you wanted to make any changes, you could certainly add a sentence to the letter or take out your fax number here at the top if you didn't want that to show. Whatever you would need to, you could just make any adjustments to this document. Whenever you had finished making changes, you would go up here to get to the File menu and get Save. And it'll give you a chance to enter a title for this document. You click OK. This program works like a basic word processor, so you can select and change things about this just like you would in a Microsoft Word type program. It's not quite as fancy as that, but you know, if you wanted to change some things about your fonts here, you could make changes as you needed to with this program, just like you would a regular word processor. There's lots of buttons across the top here to make sort of changes that you would need to, and you can also use your menus here for regular word processing operations. So after we had finished all that, we would click Save, and you can close out of the document window, and you'll see that the new document that we just created is listed here under the Docs tab for this customer. So that's where it's saved, and if you wanted to open that one back up again, you could just double click on it. Let me show you a little bit about how to create a template so that if you have a lot of documents that you need to create that are very similar to each other for different customers, you can create a template for those to make it much easier to make the actual documents. Again, you would just click this New Record button, but when this dialog box opens up, instead of selecting a template from the list, we're actually going to click New to create a new template. It will ask us for a title for that template. So you enter your title and click OK, and you'll see that it puts that new template name in the list here. So we're going to click on that, and we're going to click Edit. And here it opens up a new template for you to work from. It will already have basic information filled in for you, but you can take out any of that information that you don't want to have in this template. Make changes. These are pre-fillable fields you'll see with these little red arrows. Those little red arrows will be the indication that that's a pre-filled field that would fill in if you were actually creating a document from this template. It has all these fields already filled in here. You may not need all of those for the template that you're creating. I'm going to actually delete some of those here. And you can create wording for a letter or whatever document you're creating here by just typing directly into this template just like you would a word processor. When you come to a spot in the letter that you want to add a pre-fillable field, what you would do is go over here to this fields list and just double-click the field that you want to add. And you'll see that it automatically puts that field right in the letter for us. Once you've finished making any changes that you would want to for this template, we need to actually save the template. So we'll go up here to the File menu and we'll get Save. Now let me show you how to actually create a document from this new template. We're going to close out of the template screen and we're going to go here to the Docs tab and get Add a Document again. We're going to select that template that we just created and we're going to click OK. And you'll see here that it fills in all the information exactly as we told it to. This is based on the template that we just created. It fills in the text that we typed in. It fills in the pre-fillable fields that we told it to fill in. All of that information there is included, and you can make changes as you would want to. Again, just like a word processor, you can make any changes that you would want to. Once you're finished making your changes, again, you would just go here to the File menu and get Save. And you would add a description, a title for that document. Click OK. Close out of that window. And you'll see that it added that document here to our list. List of documents can be used for emailing. You can open one of these and print it. You can open one and save it to another place on your computer, another file in your computer if you needed to. Again, you can use them for attachments for emails. Anything that you would need to do, you will have the document list there at your fingertips. And you can control the list with these buttons here. You already know how this Add a New Document feature works. You can delete a record from here. You can save any changes that you might make, like if I wanted to add something here to a title, I would just click Save Changes. I could revert back to a previous save with that button, and I can refresh data that someone else might have entered from another computer with that button. So that gives you an idea of the Documents feature in Forms Boss Plus.